never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Happy Sunday everyone, and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another house hunting video. We're going to be presenting to you Jules Cove development, which is a development made up of apartments located in Old Harbour. Now it's really great that Old Harbour is seeing all these new developments coming to the area. It's great for St. Catherine as a parish, and it's nice that developments are happening not just on the north coast and in Kingston, but we've seen in Old Harbour a few developments. One we recently featured called Wim Estates happening, and now this one, Jules Cove. Now guys, as usual, we like to show you the drive to the developments and show you a little bit of that, show you where it's located, but some more information about the developments. Now these developments, as I said, are apartments. There will be 48 apartment units. 48 apartment units will be included, so there won't be any houses, only apartments. It is very close to the main roads, so you're not far from all the amenities and everything you need. These apartments will be made up of 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom units and 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom units also. As we go on, we'll talk about the other amenities and the square footage as well.
Try and somehow we make it. Our leaders keep the taxes high, but it's alright. Me nah run well if it costs. We love we beach and we love we fish fry. We love the reggae beat when the volume is high. We love tech, we culture, send it worldwide. So in spite of everything, yeah. Although we rough, now we no better than yard. The living might are tough, now we no better than yard. Me can't live a family, me no want go abroad. Although it's rough, now we no better than yard. The living might have tough, now we no better than yard. Me can't live a foreign, me no want go abroad. Oh, I don't want to go nowhere but yard. I don't want to go nowhere but yard. Although it rough, now we no better than yard. The living might have tough, now we no better than yard. Me can't live a foreign, me no want go abroad. Although it rough, now we no better than yard. The living might have tough, now we no better than yard.
So as you turn off the main road, you see this piece of land here that you can see, and this is where the development is going to be built. Now construction work hasn't started to take place as yet. It will be very soon, but units are already on sale, okay? So pre-construction sale. So prices for pre-construction, the 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom are currently going for $220,000 US, and that's pre-construction. And the 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom are currently going for $264,000 US pre-construction.
What a time to be Jamaican, beauty of the nation. Make all my other worries fade away. Hopping at the Jeep, drop the top on the seat, feel the...
So size, for the 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, the square footage is 1,350 square feet. I haven't received any information about the square footage of the 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. You may need to contact the developer to get more information about that. Some of the amenities include gym, play area, swimming pool, parking space, and I'm led to believe that each resident will get 2 parking spaces each. There will be allotted 2 parking spaces.
No mercy, but we know that Jah Jah love we count the blessings at the end of every day. No one no nice like yard, no one no nice like yard. When time easy and when time hard, countless trip but we take our broad. No nice like yard, no one no nice like yard. And if you're proud of your place, bust a dance. If a Jamaica you make bust a dance. Here on my feet, take a stroll on the beach. Reggae music, a beat like Congo. Can't broke with vibes, yeah we high. We nice on the waves, we are rave till the sun go down. Yeah we do it and we prove it to them time after time. Anyway you see black, green and gold, it a shine. Grab your shades, mind your blind. Bust a skank, bust a wine, bust a blank. Giving thanks on the river, on the bank, on the beach. That's how we do it. Yeah, anywhere we do the vibes and lead. They on a level where them just can't reach. And them marks how we do it, some things can't teach. Time to be Jamaican, the beauty of the nation. Make all my other worries fade away. Though the dollar might not bossy, but we know that Jah Jah love we count with blessings at the end of every day. No one no nice like yard, no one no nice like yard. When time easy and when time hard, countless trip but we take our broad. No nice like yard, no one no nice like yard. And if you're proud of your place, bust a dance. If a Jamaica you make bust a dance. No one no nice like yard, no one no nice like yard. When time easy and when time hard, countless trip but we take our broad. No nice like yard, no one no nice like yard. And if you're proud of your place, bust a dance. If a Jamaica you make bust a dance.
Details of who to contact will be coming up on your screen very shortly if you are interested in these units. Guys, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video. And until next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.